Welcome. Today we are looking at career opportunities in marketing. This is a key topic in your marketing exams for SS1. Pay close attention. Let us begin. First, let me explain the meaning of career opportunities. Career opportunities are the various jobs and professions available in a particular field. Marketing offers a wide range of career opportunities. Almost every organization needs marketers. Manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, banks, insurance companies, hospitals, schools, and government agencies all employ marketers. Marketing is a growing field. As the economy grows, more marketing jobs are created. Marketing careers can be divided into several categories: advertising, sales, market research, brand management, product development, distribution, retail management, digital marketing, public relations, and customer service are all marketing careers. Each category has different roles and responsibilities. Each requires different skills and qualifications. Marketing careers offer good salaries, advancement opportunities, and job satisfaction. Marketing is a good choice for students who are creative, analytical, and good with people. Now, let me explain the career opportunities in advertising. Advertising involves creating and placing messages to inform and persuade consumers. Advertising careers include copywriter, art director, media planner, account executive, and creative director. A copywriter writes the words for advertisements. They create slogans, headlines, and body copy. They must be creative and good with language. An art director designs the visual elements of advertisements. They choose colors, images, and layouts. They must have artistic skills. A media planner decides which media to use for advertising. They choose between television, radio, newspapers, magazines, billboards, and digital media. They must be analytical and understand media costs. An account executive manages client relationships. They communicate with clients. They coordinate the work of the advertising agency. They must have good communication and organizational skills. A creative director oversees the creative team. They approve ideas. They ensure quality. They must have strong leadership skills. Advertising careers are often fast-paced and exciting. They require creativity, attention to detail, and the ability to work under pressure. Now let me explain the career opportunities in sales. Sales involves persuading customers to buy products. Sales careers include sales representative, account manager, sales manager, and sales director. A sales representative calls on customers to sell products. They may work for a manufacturer, wholesaler, or retailer. They must have good communication and persuasion skills. They must be persistent and resilient. An account manager manages relationships with key customers. They ensure customer satisfaction. They identify opportunities to sell more. They must have strong relationship building skills. A sales manager oversees a team of sales representatives. They set sales targets. They train and motivate the sales team. They must have leadership and management skills. A sales director sets the overall sales strategy. They decide which markets to enter. They set sales goals. They manage the sales budget. They must have strategic thinking skills. Sales careers can be very rewarding. Successful salespeople earn high incomes. They also have opportunities for advancement. Sales requires hard work, persistence, and a positive attitude. Now let me explain the career opportunities in market research. Market research involves gathering and analyzing information about customers, competitors, and market conditions. Market research careers include research analyst, research manager, and research director. A research analyst designs surveys, conducts interviews, analyses data, and writes reports. They must have analytical skills and attention to detail. They must be proficient in statistics and data analysis software. A research manager oversees research projects. They assign tasks to analysts. They review reports. They ensure quality. They must have project management skills. A research director sets the research strategy. They decide which research methods to use. They manage the research budget. They present findings to senior management. They must have strategic thinking and communication skills. Market research careers are ideal for people who are curious, analytical, and detail-oriented. Market researchers help businesses make better decisions. They are highly valued. Now, let me explain the career opportunities in brand management. Brand management involves building and managing a brand. A brand is a name, symbol, or design that identifies a product. Brand managers are responsible for the success of a brand. They develop brand strategy. They set brand positioning. They manage brand advertising. They track brand performance. They also manage product development, packaging, and pricing. Brand management careers include assistant brand manager, and group brand manager. An assistant brand manager supports the brand manager. They help with research, advertising, and sales analysis. They learn the business. A brand manager is responsible for one brand. They make decisions about advertising, pricing, and distribution. They work with other departments like sales, research, and production. A group brand manager oversees multiple brands. They coordinate strategy across brands. They manage brand managers. Brand management is a popular career for marketing graduates. It offers responsibility, creativity, and advancement. Brand managers must be strategic, analytical, and good at working with others. Now, let me explain the career opportunities in distribution and logistics. Distribution and logistics involve moving products from producers to consumers. Careers in this field include logistics coordinator, warehouse manager, distribution manager, and supply chain manager. A logistics coordinator arranges transportation for goods. They book trucks, ships, or planes. They track shipments. They ensure on-time delivery. They must be organized and detail-oriented. A warehouse manager oversees warehouse operations. They manage inventory. They supervise warehouse staff. They ensure safety and efficiency. They must have management skills. A distribution manager oversees the entire distribution network. They choose warehouse locations. They select transportation modes. They manage distribution costs. They must have analytical and problem-solving skills. A supply chain manager oversees the entire flow of goods from raw materials to finished products. They coordinate with suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, and retailers. They must have strategic thinking and negotiation skills. Distribution and logistics careers are essential for modern commerce. They offer good job security and advancement. Now, let me explain the career opportunities in retail management. Retail management involves operating stores that sell products to consumers. Careers in retail include store manager, merchandiser, buyer, and retail district manager. A store manager is responsible for one store. They manage employees. They order inventory. They handle customer complaints. They ensure store profitability. They must have leadership and customer service skills. A merchandiser decides which products to put in the store. They design product displays. They manage inventory levels. They must have creativity and analytical skills. A buyer selects which products to sell in the store. They negotiate with suppliers. They place orders. They must have negotiation skills and market knowledge. A retail district manager oversees multiple stores in a region. They set sales targets. They monitor performance. They hire store managers. They must have leadership and communication skills. Retail management careers are challenging and rewarding. They offer opportunities to advance quickly. Now let me explain the career opportunities in digital marketing. Digital marketing involves using the internet and digital technologies to market products. Digital marketing is growing rapidly. Careers in digital marketing include SEO specialist, social media manager, email marketing specialist, and digital marketing manager. An SEO specialist optimizes websites to rank higher in search results. They research keywords. They improve website content. They build links. They must understand how search engines work. A social media manager creates content for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They engage with followers. They run social media ads. They must be creative and good with people. An email marketing specialist creates and sends email campaigns. They build email lists. They write email content. They track open rates and click-through rates. They must be analytical and good with writing. A digital marketing manager oversees all digital marketing activities. They coordinate SEO, social media, email, and other digital channels. They set strategy. They manage the budget. They must have strategic thinking and leadership skills. Digital marketing careers offer flexibility and creativity. Many digital marketers work remotely. A common exam question asks you to list and explain career opportunities in marketing. Here is a sample answer. Career opportunities in marketing include advertising, sales, market research, brand management, distribution, retail management, and digital marketing. In advertising, careers include copywriter, art director, media planner, and account executive. In sales, careers include sales representative, account manager, and sales manager. In market research, careers include research analyst and research manager. In brand management, careers include brand manager and group brand manager. In distribution, careers include warehouse manager and distribution manager. In retail, careers include store manager and buyer. In digital marketing, careers include SEO specialist, social media manager, and email marketing specialist. Each career requires different skills and offers different rewards. Another exam question asks you to describe the skills needed for a career in marketing. Here is your answer. A career in marketing requires a combination of hard and soft skills. Hard skills include market research, data analysis, writing, design, and digital marketing. Soft skills include communication, creativity, problem-solving, teamwork, and adaptability. Marketing professionals must be able to communicate clearly. They must be creative. They must solve problems. They must work well with others. They must adapt to changing conditions. They must also understand customer behavior. They must be persuasive. They must be persistent. Marketing is a demanding field, but it is also rewarding. Another exam question asks you to explain the qualifications needed for a career in marketing. Here is your answer. Most marketing careers require a bachelor's degree in marketing, business administration, or a related field. Some positions require a master's degree. Professional certifications can also help. Examples include Certified Marketing Professional, Certified Digital Marketing Professional, and Google Analytics certification. Entry-level positions may not require experience, but internships are valuable. They provide practical experience. They help build a network. As you advance, experience becomes more important. Continuing education is also important. Marketing changes rapidly. Professionals must keep learning. They must stay current with new technologies and techniques. Let me give you a quick summary. Marketing offers a wide range of career opportunities. These include advertising, sales, market research, brand management, distribution, retail management, and digital marketing. Each career has different roles and responsibilities. Each requires different skills and qualifications. Marketing careers offer good salaries, advancement opportunities, and job satisfaction. Marketing is a good choice for students who are creative, analytical, and good with people. The demand for marketing professionals is growing. The future is bright for marketing careers. Keep reviewing, keep practicing. See you in the next topic.